If you do research, analysis, or content creation, having the right AI assistant can save you hours. Two of the leading options right now are ChatGPT Plus and Perplexity Pro. Both promise smarter answers, faster insights, and more reliable results, but they are designed for slightly different use cases. Let's start with ChatGPT Plus. This paid tier from OpenAI gives you access to their latest models, faster responses, and higher usage limits. You can handle long documents, ask complex questions, and even combine text and image analysis. It's versatile and easy to integrate into workflows you already know. ChatGPT Plus is great for multitasking. It can research, draft, summarize, brainstorm, and generate ideas all in one place. On the downside, while it is strong at providing overviews and summaries, it may sometimes give answers without full source transparency, which can be a consideration for citation-heavy research. Perplexity Pro takes a more research-focused approach. It is designed to handle complex queries with a focus on transparency and source citations. You can upload documents, work with extended context, and explore multi-step questions without losing track. Perplexity Pro shows sources for its answers, making it ideal for analysts, academics, or anyone who needs verifiable research. Its interface is optimized for investigation rather than casual chat, and it supports multiple AI models depending on your subscription. The trade-off is that it may feel less flexible for creative tasks compared to ChatGPT Plus. If you want an all-in-one assistant that can handle research, writing, brainstorming, and multimodal content creation, ChatGPT Plus is probably your best choice. It is versatile, fast, and fits easily into most workflows. If your focus is deep, citation-rich research, analyzing documents, or building reports that require accuracy and transparency, Perplexity Pro is likely the smarter pick. Its workflow is built around investigation and verifiable results, which can save time when digging into complex topics. For versatility and creative flexibility, choose ChatGPT Plus. For focused, reliable, and source-backed research, choose Perplexity Pro. Either way, upgrading from basic AI tools to a research-grade assistant will save time, increase accuracy, and improve the quality of your work.